The world of electric vehicles has been full of surprises, with startups emerging and making a big splash, only to fall from grace in a blink of an eye. One of the most notable examples of this is Human Horizons, a Chinese company that made waves with its HiPhi Z, an electric car that immediately captured attention with its bold, futuristic design. Picture a four-door Nissan GT-R mixed with the sharp angles and high-tech appeal of a BMW i8, and you're looking at the HiPhi Z. When it was first launched, the HiPhi Z turned heads for all the right reasons. This electric car seemed like the future of transportation, boasting innovative features and a sleek design that placed it in a category of its own. However, as we've seen with many startups, early promise doesn't always translate into long-term success. Unfortunately, Human Horizons couldn't sustain the momentum, eventually filing for bankruptcy shortly after launching the HiPhi Z in Europe. Now, this rare and distinctive EV is on the market at a much lower price than its original asking price. The HiPhi Z had a debut price tag of €105,000, approximately $113,200, which placed it squarely in the premium EV segment, competing with some of the best in the industry. However, due to the company's financial troubles and the uncertainty surrounding its future, the HiPhi Z can now be had for far less. The first example we found is listed for €69,800 in Germany, making it a rare opportunity for buyers who are willing to take a risk on an EV from a company that no longer exists. Despite the financial turmoil surrounding Human Horizons, the HiPhi Z itself remains a stunning piece of automotive engineering. The car has only 50 kilometers on the odometer, meaning it's barely been driven and is in near-new condition. Underneath its stylish exterior, the HiPhi Z is powered by a 120 kilowatt-hour battery pack that feeds two electric motors, delivering a combined output of 663 horsepower. This performance translates into impressive acceleration, with the HiPhi Z capable of hitting 62 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. Additionally, the EV boasts a range of up to 345 miles on a single charge, making it a practical option for long trips, despite the company's lack of technical support. The design of the HiPhi Z is undeniably eye-catching, with an exterior that pushes the boundaries of what we typically see in electric vehicles. Its sleek lines, sharp angles, and futuristic styling make it an instant conversation starter. On the inside, the cabin is just as luxurious, with premium materials and a large infotainment screen dominating the dashboard. The interior exudes high-tech sophistication, creating a driving experience that feels both cutting-edge and comfortable. Interestingly, we also found a second HiPhi Z for sale, this one listed at €60,000. This model has 10,000 kilometers on the clock and has clearly been used as a family car, with two baby seats in the back. While it's been driven a bit more, the price is still much lower than the car's original retail value, making it an attractive option for anyone in the market for a high-performance electric car that still has plenty of life left. However, the elephant in the room remains the company's bankruptcy. Buying an EV from a defunct company is not for the faint of heart. If something goes wrong with the vehicle, there's no support system in place to help you. It's a risk, and one that potential buyers must weigh carefully. While the HiPhi Z's design and performance make it an alluring proposition, the lack of after-sale service could be a deal-breaker for many. In conclusion, the HiPhi Z presents a unique opportunity for buyers who are willing to take a chance on a rare EV that's still in excellent condition. With prices now slashed significantly, this could be the deal of a lifetime, or a gamble that leaves you stranded with an unserviceable car. Whether or not you dare to take the plunge is entirely up to you. But if you're feeling adventurous, the HiPhi ZS are out there, waiting for a new home.